Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm glad to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, these are countertop stylings, the Gelato display cases. Let's take a measurement first. The unit's length about 32 inches total. And the depth about 25.5 inches long, deep. And the overall heights, they are about 11.5 inches tall. So the units, we can see they have glass flap tops. And when you see the front, we have the controllers and the power switchers. The connections, they're using the 110 standard plugs. And when we turn around to the look at side, we will see the stickers right here. They have a diagram of the machine and the ETL sanitation approvals and all the cut sheets informations. And let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. For the inner side dimensions, when I open the case, we see the full trays inside. They all removable and stackable for you to clean all the space right here. They have a drinks here to liquid all the waters out and clean it. And let's take a measurement for the tray. For this tray, they are about 7 inches wide and about 12 and 3/4 inches long, about 4 inches deep. And the entire space, this one is about 26 inches by 14 inches. And the total deep, about 4.5 inches deep. This is all information about the inner side. For the glass, it's double layers, so they can prevent the fog or any leaking the cold airs, so they can keep the temperature cold. Thank you for watching these videos. This is all information about this countertop Gelato cases. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.